So I have an issue with my ice machine, and to get to it you can pull this out. So just lift up on this and pull in order to get the ice tray out. At this point, go ahead and shut it off, and from what I've seen, it looks like you can just loosen up that bolt back there and that bolt back there, and then lift it up and out, and then unplug it from the back. So I have a 1/4-inch nut driver here. I'm just going to loosen these. I'm not going to take them out all the way. Doesn't appear that I need to. And then should have enough of the ice thawed out to be able to separate it from everything, or not. Well, in my case, I may need to remove them completely because of the ice situation that I have. So let's do that. Alright, with those out, let's see if we can get it to come off now. This plastic part down here seems to be really what's hung up inside the ice right now. Alright, we'll just take it off that thing. There we go. Okay. So there we go. I was able to tilt it up this way and then kind of pull it out. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but there's the plug, and there's two tabs. You gotta squeeze these two, and then it unlatches it. Squeeze those two, and then pull. Alright. Ice machine's out. So I got a lot of the ice broke loose already. The way I did it was with this tiny little hammer that my wife got me one year, and just been smacking it. Oh, this is fun. Nice. Oh. Yeah, I'll be chipping away for a while. So I want to go ahead. Ow! Go ahead and get these screws started again. Alright, I got these started, so let's go ahead and hang the ice machine back up. So putting the ice machine back in, we basically need to make sure that the that little spigot in the back of water, where the water comes in, goes into the place, the hopper for the water there, and we need to plug it in first as well. So let's get that plugged in. Oh, there we go. Nice and snug. Didn't hear any clicking, but it's definitely plugged in all the way. Might want to be a little careful if it's wet, because that is electrical. Alright, so let's set the ice tray back on its screws, get the electrical cable out of the way, get it pushed, get that plug back behind the that plastic guard there that it hangs from. Alright, so let's try it this way. I'm going to actually put my fingers back there so I can feel that spigot in the hopper. There, I can feel the hopper is underneath it, and look at that, the screws actually got the ice machine. So feel back there again. needs to be screwed back. It's not quite back all the way against the against it there. I probably should have screwed those screws in a little further. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna hold this back and against this plastic backing, and I'm gonna feel back there and make sure that the water line is actually in the hopper, and it is, so that's good. So let's go ahead and tighten those 1/4 inch screws up. Screws are tight. I'm gonna seal back there one more time, make sure that that water spigot in the back is inside the hopper. So now let's put our ice tray in. I just removed this cover that was basically in there like that. Alright, so depending on where the ice machine is in the process, when you switch it on, it may go ahead and cycle through and then start filling it, but mine is not, so you gotta hold it to get it to go ahead and start to cycle over. Okay, it's starting the cycle. We'll come back when it starts filling with water. There's the water. So it's been a month now, so it's working great.